Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to remove an item on your Pizza Hut online cart. Open the website pizzahut.com, then click Sign In. Now, sign in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, you will see a cart icon at the upper right corner of the screen. Click on the cart icon. On this page, you will see the list of your orders. Below the quantity of the item you would wish to remove, you will see a Remove button. Click on Remove. Then, a pop-up message will appear asking if you are sure to remove the selected item in your cart. To continue, click on Yes. Now you will see that the items on your cart has been removed. That's how you remove an item from your Pizza Hut online cart. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.